In the U.S., stocks on Wall Street closed lower on Wednesday as the market struggled to stage a comeback amid lingering uncertainty among investors. Our finance correspondent Moon Hye-ryeon has the latest.
Major U.S. stock indexes closed lower on Wednesday, failing to recover fully from the big sell-offs on Monday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 0.6% lower, and the S&P 500 shed nearly 0.8%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped by more than 1%. Throughout the trading session, the three indexes saw morning gains as the Bank of Japan commented that the central bank would not raise rates when financial markets are unstable, boosting market sentiment. Trade involving the Japanese yen has been a key factor in the sequence of events leading to global market volatility, as investors borrow the cheaper yen to trade into stocks and other assets. But with Japan's central bank raising its benchmark interest rate at the end of last month, paired with weak U.S. economic data stoking fears of a recession in the world's biggest economy, investors have been quick to sell. While investor sentiment is slowly leveling out, with Wall Street's losses on Wednesday not as drastic as those seen earlier this week, big tech stocks saw large fluctuations. Nvidia, one of Wall Street's most central companies, started out with a gain of more than 4% before it ended on a loss of more than 5%. Supermicro computer stocks tumbled by more than 20% after it reported lower than expected quarterly earnings. Tesla and Meta platforms also slipped, as well as global homestay platform Airbnb. These latest developments were reflected in the South Korean stock market on Thursday, as the country's benchmark Kospi and the secondary Kosdaq both began and ended the day's trading on a low. The Kospi and the Kosdaq closed just under 0.5% lower than the previous day after seeing bigger fluctuations at the start of the trading session. Stocks of chip makers SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics both fell. Moon Hye-ryeon, Arirang News.